Step 9 in the home selling process. There's two parts to this one. Part number 1 is a document known as a closing disclosure. This is a document that the lender is going to send over to the buyer, just outlining all of the fees, the rate, the terms, everything that they're agreeing to with the loan. The lender has to send that to the buyer. The buyer has to acknowledge receipt of it. And then 3 days later, the buyer can actually sit down and sign their loan documents. So you probably remember this from when you bought the home. This is where they sit down with a notary and they sign 50, 100 plus pages of documentation with all the details of the loans, all the actual agreements and notes and deeds and all of that fun stuff. So closing disclosure goes out 3 business days later. The buyer's going to sit down with a notary. They're going to sign all of these documents. We'll keep you in the loop as they're kind of hitting each of these milestones. Once the buyer signs those loan documents, the notary is going to take those, they'll get those sent back over to the lender for the lender to review. After the lender has an opportunity to review all the documents, make sure everything is good, we will be done with step 9. We'll be moving on to step 10. We are almost there. We are sliding into home plate. It is almost time to close escrow on the sale of your home and get you paid.